Every single day, giant bakery factories produce millions of soft bread loaves using machines that never stop running. But what really happens inside these giant factories before bread reaches your table? The journey of every bread loaf begins in endless wheat fields like these.
The smoother the flour, the softer and fluffier the bread becomes.
Once the flour arrives at the bakery, the real transformation finally begins. Every batch must be measured perfectly before mixing starts. Giant automated systems combine multiple ingredients to create the perfect bread dough.
Water activates the flour and starts building a soft texture of bread.
Yeast is what makes bread rise and become light and fluffy. These giant machines can mix enough dough to produce thousands of bread loaves every hour.
Within minutes, dry flour transforms into smooth, elastic bread dough.
Now the dough begins moving deeper into the factory for shaping and fermentation. Every section of the factory is designed for speed, precision, and consistency. Kneading strengthens the dough and helps build the final bread texture. These giant rollers work non-stop to create perfectly smooth bread dough. At this stage, the dough becomes incredibly soft and stretchy. Now the dough must rest so the yeast can work magic. Watch closely as the dough slowly doubles in size. Those tiny air pockets are what make bread light and fluffy. After fermentation, the dough moves to the next stage where it will finally become bread loaves. But the most satisfying transformation is about to happen next. Now powerful machines divide the dough into perfectly measured bread portions. Every single loaf must contain the exact same amount of dough. Thousands of dough portions now move deeper into the factory every single hour. The dough is rounded to create a smoother and more consistent loaf structure. At this stage, the dough becomes softer, smoother, and more uniform. Everything inside this bakery is designed for non-stop high-speed production.
Now the dough finally begins transforming into recognizable bread loaf shapes. These machines stretch and fold the dough to create the perfect internal texture.
The dough is now carefully placed into loaf pans before its final rise. Each loaf pan gives the bread its final shape during baking. But before baking, the dough must rise one final time. Inside these giant chambers, the dough begins expanding dramatically. This final rise is what creates soft, fluffy bread. Workers carefully inspect every loaf before it enters the ovens. Now comes the stage where soft dough transforms into real bread. These giant ovens bake thousands of bread loaves every single hour. Inside the oven, the bread expands even more as the crust begins forming. This is the moment when the factory fills with the smell of fresh bread. The perfect crust requires carefully controlled heat and timing. After baking, the bread finally emerges golden, soft, and fully formed. But the bread is still too hot for slicing and packaging. Fresh bread remains incredibly soft immediately after baking. And the most satisfying part of a bread process is still coming next. Now the freshly baked bread moves into one of the fastest stages of the factory. These powerful blades can slice thousands of bread loaves every single hour. Every loaf must be sliced evenly to maintain perfect texture and consistency. Even tiny details like slice thickness are carefully controlled. The factory now prepares the bread for packaging at incredible speed. Advanced robotic systems help organize the bread before sealing begins. Each loaf is carefully sealed to keep the bread fresh for longer. These machines package massive amounts of bread non-stop throughout the day.
Every package is labeled automatically before shipment.
The bread now moves toward the final shipping stages of a factory. Robotic systems organize the bread for transportation across stores and supermarkets. By this stage, thousands of loaves are already prepared for delivery. The scale of modern bread production is far larger than most people imagine. Every shipment must move quickly because fresh bread has a limited shelf life.
Those tiny air pockets are what make bread soft and fluffy.
Fresh bread is one of the most satisfying foods produced in giant factories.
Modern bakery factories engineer bread to stay soft and fresh for as long as possible.
Inside this factory, the production lines never truly stop running.
Even the crust texture is carefully controlled during baking.
Every day, these factories deliver millions of bread loaves to stores around the world. But the final transformation of fresh bread is still ahead. After leaving the factory, the bread quickly reaches stores and supermarkets everywhere.
Fresh loaves just in?
Fresh bread remains incredibly soft even after industrial production. The soft texture comes from carefully controlled fermentation and baking. But before reaching your kitchen, this bread traveled through an enormous industrial process. Thousands of machines work together to produce bread at unbelievable speed. Every loaf contains millions of tiny air pockets that create this fluffy texture. Factories like this continue operating day and night without stopping. The scale of modern bread production is truly massive. Freshly baked bread is one of the most recognizable smells in the world. But behind every loaf is a giant network of industrial machines and workers. Every section of the factory must operate in perfect synchronization.
Even the crust color is carefully engineered during baking.
Human workers still supervise every important stage of bread production.
Modern bakery factories are designed to keep bread soft for as long as possible.
Once packaged, the bread moves rapidly through giant warehouse systems. And this is the final transformation most people recognize best. But few people ever see the massive industrial journey behind every loaf. The factory continues operating non-stop long after the sun goes down. Which stage of the bread-making process surprised you the most? Every truck leaving this factory carries thousands of fresh bread loaves. This fluffy texture is the result of careful fermentation and baking science. Modern bread factories are some of the most advanced food production systems in the world.